healing turret. Alright, that just feels good and warms up my day. Now, what do I do? Because the zombie apocalypse is going crazy at a rapid rate right now. I don't know what I should do, but it's like really hard to find an idea. Don't worry, I found a way. What? Aren't you the person who built the robots? Yep. And what you build them? What was your original purpose? They were supposed to help people with stuff, but now they are trying to rule over us and use us for energy instead of us using them for energy. Now they're gonna use us as energy. So what's gonna be inside phones? Humans. TVs, humans. I don't know why they're trying to do this, but they're just trying to. They're making a human-powered robot. And don't cut me off. Don't cut me off. So they're trying to make an energy-powered robot that takes over the world and a robot. Alright, time to defeat you. Whoa. Ha. Nice try. Oh, bump. Bump. Beep, beep. Boop, boop. Beep, beep, boop, boop. Oh no, I'm sinking to the bottom of the sea. Hello, healing turret. My name is Robot. What is yours? Drop a bomb in there. Hold on. Alright, let's drop a bomb there. Yep. Sounded good. Anyways. Come over here. And let's continue our mission. Alright, so here's my plan. Oh, and also meet my other two friends. Metro Man and Squash. Yo. Whoa, dude. They look creepily strong. I mean, I know who Squash is, but who is Metro Man? Oh man, have you been living under a rock or something? Because Metro Man is very popular nowadays. Oh, okay. I think that's bad. Okay, dude. Guys. Oh. Okay, guys, you guys all run out of here, okay? Got it. Yep. Let's do this. Don't worry, I'll handle it myself. And trust me, I'll actually be back. Despite those catchers who say they'll be back, but they really just end themselves in the most wholesome way possible. Well, not wholesome, but in the most. Oh! Dude! I'm in the most sad way. You just killed him. Sorry. Anyways, just take him to the doctor. Wait, I can heal him. Alright, now you guys leave. Goodbye. Alright, guys. Now I can handle him myself. Alright, here we go. I'll make a clone of myself. And I'll make it look like. And use my teleporting machine to make it look like the same person. Beep. What was that beep sound?